Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Woodworks, and yes, we've got another inbox review for you today. Review for you today, and this is out of the warm hands of the delivery driver. This is Meng model, German Panzer Kampfwagen, PKW K1 Kubelwagen Type 82 Eastern Front. This is a 1/35th scale Velociraptor series VS 016. Now, surprisingly, Kubelwagens, I've not built any because the Tamiya one's quite elderly, and this one's I've heard some interesting things about this one. Again, sealed box. This is a 2024 tooling. So, yeah. And in the box, we have lots of sprues. I actually have 3 sprues here, so. Oh, yes. Very nice they are. And we have some rubber wheels, and we have the decal sheets, which I won't get out of there because yeah, I'll get into some bother. And then we have a beautiful instruction booklet. Then it has the lovely Dunkelgelb, red, brown and green camo on it. So yeah. Again, this bit has some history in Chinese. Oh good, it just does have some English in it. Obviously, the key explanations. First off, we're going to build up the rear axle, because again it's basically a VW Beetle. For this stating I think that's dark grey. Again, this part fitting the lever arm suspension, lever arm shock, sorry, little bang plate on there, putting the rear arches on, putting the engine underside in, putting the exhaust on, etc. Yada yada yada. So you can see what the heritage comes from. Building up the front wheel steering assembly, building up the front wheel arches. Again, putting some bang plates on there. This part we have the pegboards, or the drainage assembly, so it keeps it nice and clean. Obviously the engine, the handbrake, foot pedals, gear lever, steering mechanism. Building up part of the boot. Again, noting to drill some holes. Assembling the sides on. I think that's putting the fuel tank on and fitting that to the front. Again, putting this piece on the back. It's not the boot, it's the bloody engine compartment, you donut. I'm putting some covers on there. Again, telling you a little piece to remove. Instrument panel, fairly basic. Rear no tech light. Telling you to paint it green. Fitting up the seats, fairly simple. Fitting the rims into the tyres, you can paint them first. Fairly straightforward. Obviously, I've got all the wheels there. Fitting them on. Again, assembling the front no tech light. Some greebles at the back. The lights as well. Telling you to paint that bit silver. Fitting some rifles in the back. Really cool. And fitting this frame in the back. Or the handrail, I beg your pardon. Fitting the doors on. Fitting the horn, the grab rails. Assembling the windscreen. Noting where to trim off. Then making up the hood with the glazing on. That's good. Little greebly going on the front there. And then fitting on the building up the jerry cans. Gluing on the jerry cans. Tools. Or the shovel. And the mirrors / trafficators. And then we have colour schemes. Again, communications unit, 7th Panther Division, the Wehrmacht, Kursk, 1943. Again, nice tricolour camo. Then we have 12th SS Panzer Division, Hitlerjugend, France, 1944. Again, Panzer dark grey and a khaki roof. This is the reason I got it. It was this one. Doing a captured vehicle. So USA, Arizona. Dark olive drab. Yeah. I also have some figures lurking down there from my ICM kit, so we'll see if they fit. So three decal schemes. Sprue map. Colour callouts. AK. And that's accretion. So basically you can convert those colours. Fairly straightforward. Obviously where the kit came from. After sales if you've got any parts missing. And let's get on with opening some sprue bags. I'll get the wheels out because again look fairly straight. Lovely little wheels. Nice little sprue gate to chop off on the rubber wheels there. That's nice. And this is the first sprue. Decals are Meng, so hopefully they'll behave themselves. So let's open the bag and have a look at the sprues. And I'll just stab myself in the hand with it. So again, a little bit with the glazing, Again, lovely and crystal clear. Beautiful glazing, actually. In fact, that's the tape. That's this part of the bag. So yeah, beautiful glazing. And this is the C sprue. Again, 2024. Shows you all the bits you've got to drill on the side panels there. Sensibly placed ejector pins. Bit bent, but that doesn't matter. They're all small parts. Love beautiful guns. Beautiful guns. Lovely detail on the sides and on the back. Windscreen. Really nice, that is. No release agent on this whatsoever. Little horn there. Wheel arches. Shows a few holes to be drilled if needed for different versions, which I think they're up to 4. I mean, Meng are up to 4 of the 4 versions of this now. Cool. And another sprue. This is the A sprue. Rustle, 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 rustle. Now, this has lots of greeblies on there. So it has the bits of the engine, gearbox, steering wheel, seats, floor, and the plate to go on the back. Lovely little exhaust there. Look at the fine detail on those. Wow. Again, some ejector pins, but they're on the inside. That's the boot lid. Yeah, really nice too. Really nice too. Oh, I dropped this right over there. And finally, let's get this sprue out. This is the D sprue. And we have some more glazing in here. I think my bin will have to be emptied. So we have the glazing for the sides. Again, it has nice distortion on there because there'd be vinyl in that on them. That's the H sprue. That's very nice. And then this is the D sprue. Again, lovely texture on the roof. Very few ejector pins in it as well. Just a shame they haven't got for under gates on the roof, but they're fairly easy to sand out. And there's the bonnet. Instrument panel. jerry cans, some more lights there, all the wheels and the hubs. Beautiful. I'm really impressed with this. Shame I've started the SDKFZ 222 because I start this tomorrow. Then again, I'd have probably 5 kits on the go. Oh dear. But yeah. So on that bombshell, here's a quick inbox review of Meng's 1/35th scale Kubelwagen. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.